In this screencast, I'll show you how to connect your existing Mouse Create account to your Google account so you can log in more easily. To get started, go to the home page and select Login or Create an Account. To set up your Google connection, you will first need to log in with your Mouse Create username and password. Select your group, and then navigate to your profile page from the top menu. You should see here a button to log in with Google, but before you do that, I want to make sure that my email address that I used when I signed up for Mouse Create is the same Google email I want to use to log in. To do that, I need to select Edit Account Settings to confirm that I have the right Google Suite or Gmail address. From here I can see that it is my correct email address, so I'm going to go back to my profile and log in with Google. Enter your Google email and password to authenticate your account. Once it is confirmed, you are done. From this point forward, you can go to the home page, select Login or Create an Account, and select the Login with Google option.